What up, everybody? It's your boy Jordan. We back again with These Muscles. Today I'm going to show you an upper body workout. The workout consists of 3 exercises: push-ups, dips, and planks. Push-ups work your chest, your shoulders, your triceps. That's the muscles at the back of your arm, and also your core. Dips also work your chest, your shoulders, and your triceps. Planks work your whole core. Before I do the workout, I'm going to show you on how to do each exercise first. To do push-ups, you have your hands in front of you. Make sure they're shoulder width apart. Make sure your back is straight. You see how my elbows are in, make sure they're not flare out. Now when doing your push-ups, make sure you tighten your core. Then you go all the way down, come up, all the way down, come up, all the way down, come up, all the way down, come up. For dips, you can use a pull-up bar, you can use a chair, a seat, a desk, a table. There's a lot of resources you can use to do dips. But I'm just going to show you how to do it with a pull-up bar. So how I do it with a pull-up bar, you hold on to both of the handles, make sure your legs are straight, and you go up. Now I know when I did 1 rep, when I usually go down, and you see how my butt hit the ground, then I come back up. So it's like this. You can also do it with your knees bent, like this. To do planks, I think it's easier to do it from a push-up position. So let's get in position. So you see, as we're in position, all you gotta do is go on your elbows like this, and just hold it. For the workout, I want you to do 10 push-ups, 15 dips, a 30-second plank, 15 dips again, and 10 push-ups. I want you to do that for 5 sets with 1 minute rest in between each set, but I'm only going to show you 1 set. First, we got 10 push-ups. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we got 15 dips. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we got 30-second planks. Remember, push-up position, then go in your elbows. 30 seconds, let's go. Make sure when doing this exercise, you hold your core the whole time. You tighten your core. "15 seconds, let's go. Now we got 15 dips again. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Last exercise, we got 10 push-ups. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's the end of the video. Just remember, you do this exercise for 5 sets with 1 minute rest between each set. So do your first set, rest for a minute, second set, rest for a minute, third set, rest for a minute, fourth set, rest for a minute, then you do your 5th set, then you're done with the workout. Make sure when doing these exercises you tighten your core. And if you want to achieve anything in life, you have to work hard and discipline yourself. If you enjoyed the video, please show your support by subscribing and also hitting the bell and select all to get all notifications. Like the video, comment more video ideas below, share this video with your friends and family, follow These Muscles on Instagram @thesemuscles, and These Muscles!